Hi parents, I just wanted to preview something with you that you will see on the activity list tomorrow. This new icon is called NearPod. NearPod is a app that we use a lot in class, so we wanted to make sure that our students are familiar with it. We also feel that using this NearPod is a great way for our students to be able to access our quizzes for reading. For math, we'll be using Great Minds. However, for reading, we thought that Nearpods would be a really great and easy way for students to be able to show us what they know for the reading concepts that we're using. So on your activity list tomorrow, you'll see type in the code PLZCA and follow the directions. So what you can do is click on this icon if you have your magical button clicked, because it will take you right to your My Pasco Connect page. So you may have thought that you weren't going to use it, but it's right here. It's called NearPod Student. So if you go ahead and click that NearPod Student, you're going to be prompted to type in the code, and that code was right here. So if you want to copy it and paste it in there or type it in there, and then all you'll do is hit join. It'll ask for your student's name, and then you'll hit join the lesson. That's pretty much all that you'll have to probably help them set up, because from here, it does all of the work for you. So students will click the play button.
Hi, boys and girls. You are going to listen to me read this short story, and then on the next slide, you are going to answer a few questions about it.
So after they hit the play, there is a teacher that comes on and tells them that what they're about to do, and then she goes on to read the entire passage to them. And when they click next, if you just wait a minute, don't hit next twice, you'll find question number 1. Who was a character from the story? Some students may not be able to read that, but have no fear because there's a play button.
Who was a character from the story?
So she'll read the question for you, and then she goes ahead and reads the answers. So this may be new for your child because they've never navigated this before. So feel free to help them. Again, we know it's hard not to give them the answers, but try not to if you can. So you just click the answer, and then you'll hit next. And then you'll hear the next one.
What was the setting of the story? Was it A, at the swimming pool, B, at Anna's house, or C, at the park?
So they'll be able to select what their answer is. So this automatically gives us live updates as soon as they are completed with their 5 questions. I get a report for each student, so I can go in and see, do they know what a setting is? Do they know what a character is? Can they find it from a story that was read to them? And those go ahead and help me for more groups, and I can clear up any misconceptions from your child. So again, that app is called NearPod. It looks just like this. You may thought that you weren't going to use it, but it is a big app that we use in first grade. You can also download it from the App Store if you're using an iPad and just have it as an icon on their screen. And then they'll go ahead and type in that same code, and it will always take it back to them. Just have them type in their name, so when I get the report, I know exactly who it's from. Thank you so much for your support, parents, and I hope that this is easy for you to access, and as your child gets more familiar, they get more comfortable using it, and it will be a great way for us to understand what they know and how we can help them practice.